Okay, let's talk about the Scrum.org certifications. We've got the PSPO I certification, which, of course, this course is preparing you to take and to become an effective product owner in practice. But there's also the PSM I certification, which is the entry level for the Scrum Master certification. And I actually recommend looking into that and maybe having a stab at it because there's so much overlap with PSPO I and PSM I. They both rely really heavily on the Scrum guide, which of course you're going to know really well by the time you've gone through this course and you spent the time studying the Scrum guide. So there's an option there for you to actually go for the PSM I certification as well. A lot of this course covers the syllabus for PSM I. Now, if you want to feel really confident about going through it, I actually have a PSM I Scrum Master course on Udemy, and I have the follow-up course PSM II to make you an advanced Scrum Master. You can find discounts to these courses in the bonus lecture at the very end of my course here. So the PSPO I, now that's going to cost $200 for the assessment, and then the PSM I, that's a little bit cheaper at $150 for the assessment. So if you want to go for PSM I, it's going to be a little bit cheaper as well. Now, feel reassured that I've helped thousands of students pass these assessments through my courses. If you are interested in going for them and adding those to your CV and getting the certificates, then good luck, and I hope you pass.